How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back, or if it's your first time joining us, thanks for joining, we really appreciate it. Now, I realized that we didn't make an intro again, and that was totally my fault. I just totally blanked on making an intro. Figured I'd sit down, make a quick one for you, and hopefully smooth out this video a little bit. Now, in this video, Jarrett and I intended to start off by taking the 1968 GMC C4500 dump truck to the dump, do a quick dump while it was open, and then come back home and work on some other stuff. Well, it didn't quite turn out that way. Everything went wrong. Everything. We lost brakes first, and then we lost fuel. We were at a salvage yard first, trying to fix it in the parking lot, got it an eighth of a mile down the road, and then we're trying to fix it on the side of the road. And it's kind of interesting how we got it fixed, and also kind of scary. So the entire time's just a wild ride overall. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and as always, if you have any recommendations, drop them down below in the comment section, and we'll do our best to implement what you guys think will make this channel better. Thank you, and enjoy the video, y'all.
A little bit more.
About a little bit more.
Stop.
I don't know if this does much. Go ahead and leave that on. I'm gonna leave it running because I have to have the PTO.
Oh, yeah. Dump bed works.
I don't have very good brakes.
Right now? Yeah. Well, it sounds like you've been sitting there holding it, so the vacuum pump is pumping up.
Well, I mean, it was sitting there for a while without the brakes on in there.
Maybe we got a little bit of vacuum leak.
Or a brake leak. I'm on the floor. I don't think we have a brake leak.
Well, no, idle's gone down, so it sounds like the vacuum built some up.
We'll see. Yeah, because I just hit the ground with like no resistance.
Uh-oh.
We'll see when we get up here. brakes are on the ground.
Yep.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Hold that. Let's see if we can stop going down this hill because I'm just going to pull over right here. I don't have much. See what the brake reservoir looks like.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Killer. Yeah.
The joys of this, coming out of the dump, and I had no brakes. Pop open our master cylinder, and we're a little bit low, like empty in the cylinder. Or in the reservoir. So luckily we keep brake fluid in here. And we'll see. I am building good pressure now. Well, guys,
Switch.
just like that, we're pulling out of the salvage yard we just got to, and our gas is messing up again. We replaced the fuel filter earlier, so we thought we were good, but nope. Anything?
Nothing.
It's not coming up again?
Nope, not coming up.
Okay.
Let it be known, if I die in a fiery ball of flame, it's because of this shit right here. This, stop it, asshole! Covering me in gas. Is it dead?
Is that fuel pump still going?
Is it dead?
I think so. I'm gonna try to turn right here though.
Try starting it.
Let me get off the road first. Well, okay. We're out of the place with the closure notice issues. Son of a bitch. Okay. Let's see what's
Pump's
going on.
running.
Okay, well. Let's hope we're not pumping out fuel under the hood.
Well, we're fucked.
So currently, our hard line from our tank up is jammed, and we have Jarrett here working on diagnosing where our jerry can in the cab is jammed up, because we're not getting pressure pulling into the inline pump that we wired into this whole contraption, but we're putting pieces on, and like we have pressure at times and not at others, so we're trying to see if there's a certain piece of line that's causing issues.
I've got suction and I've got positive pressure on both sides of the pump when it's just the pump. So it's not the pump.
Which was our concern, because we don't have another pump. We can work and take out parts of the fuel line if needed, if we can find where it collapsed. And I'm hoping it's right in that end piece, but
We're gonna do a
we'll see.
test. I'm gonna shoot gas.
Okay, so as the test shows, we have pressure up to here and through the next one. We're hoping, he's fighting it right now, we're hoping that next pump is where we don't have pressure, because if that's the case, we can pull the pump out. But after that pump, it's a single run of fluid or hose all the way up there. So if that's what's bad, then
Guess you could say we're hosed.
we're hosed. We're gonna find a way to fit that jerry can under the hood as it sloshes gas as we're going down the road.
I'm
So
gonna call a Uber.
Jarrett says it's not safe enough and that he doesn't care about you guys
I'm covered
enough.
in gas in your electrical wiring. Anyone with any common sense can decide no.
We'll see how this goes.
My genius has saved the day.
Other way. Landscape.
Oh. My genius has saved the day. We have a running truck.
We had a
And
running truck the last 1/8 of a mile too. Let's see if we make it longer than that first.
yeah, I guess we'll see that. All right, we'll check in if we're dead.
Update. Not dead yet.
Still working. He's still driving. Oh. And yes, he is still being a jackass.
Some things never change, buddy.
I have a gas and electric between my legs. In fact, you could say this is probably the most hot I've ever been.
Oh, one more movie and I'll be smoking.
You know, I'm just so excited I might explode. Update. So it takes 6 gallons round trip to and from the dump. We are further away from the dump than usual. We have a 2-gallon jerry can. Also, key note, truck don't brake well when engine don't run.
In the last 2 miles, maybe 3 miles of our trip is on a mountain with roads that we can't pull over on. So the thought is we're gonna stop at the bottom of the mountain, refill our jerry can so hopefully we don't run out of gas going up the mountain where we can't pull over. Because that's gonna be when it starts getting sketchy.
Yeah, because the other alternative is wait until we get to the bottom of the mountain and, you know, fly into the river. Which it's a warm day, it's 80 degrees.
I don't have full coverage. We need a dump truck right now.
I also don't have a recovery truck yet. Maybe that'll be the next purchase.
Maybe. I think an upgraded dump truck's coming first.
Upgraded dump truck? Oh no, you mean a dump truck with fuel lines run. Which, again, somebody said something about that earlier.
I know, right?
Who was it?
For some reason, you didn't want to drop the tank.
What? No! Oh! Hey! There's not enough gas in it, so it's not splashing all over the place
That's
anymore.
not a good thing.
I guess we could have stopped at the gas station and just filled it up there.
No. We got dirty gas in the truck the tank anyways. We're using the gas in the truck.
Alright, so update. When I said less than half,
We were empty.
yeah.
Dang it. So I'm gonna fill up the can, and there's another spot we can stop about halfway between here and my house. So hopefully we can make it that far. I just covered my shoes in gasoline because that was not in the jerry can like I thought.
You know what that is? Karma. Update. So we made it to Napa after we filled up the jerry can. Filling up the jerry can again. We got 10 foot of fuel line, which apparently I had to measure out using my tiny dick. Oh, and that's why it took us forever. But anywho, so we got the 10 foot of fuel line. He's rigging up the jerry can right now with some duct tape. Got the Napa Gold filter for the new fuel filter that we're going to do. But once we get home, we are going to drop the tank, empty out all that precious gas that Matt just bought for it. He's so happy about it.
25 gallons.
Sorry, gas isn't that expensive right now. It's not like it's $75.
That joke's not going to age well when it is $75.
It is $75. 25-gallon tank, $3 a gallon.
I was saying per gallon, but yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, somebody got shot. No, it's fireworks. Anyway, so we're going to get back to the house, the house. Drop the fuel tank, clean it all out. Going to replace the hard line that's there. It has all the gunk and shit in it, most likely. And we're just going to run soft all the way up through. And we're going to run that gold filter in front of the inline fuel pump. And then we're going to run the clear one after it, just so we can see if we're still getting gunk in it. Because that other fuel filter that y'all saw, the bigger one, got gunked up and stopped. And that was what was killing the fuel pump. Yeah. So, but we are going to crawl our way back up the mountain. Probably stop one more time to fill up the jerry can, and we'll give you an update after that. Later. Update. The duct tape on the jerry can working pretty darn good at keeping the gas from splashing all over the place. But we're still probably gonna have to stop one more time.
Do you want to risk being halfway up the mountain?
No, not quite. Update. Matt has gone rogue. We are not stopping to fill up the jerry can before we get to the plot. So we're either getting home to fix it or we'll be rolling backwards down a mountain with decent visibility. Let's see what happens. Worst case, we're going to be filling it up to the side of the road. People are going to be trying not to hit us. Sounds like a fun game. We've done worse before. But, update. Matt's road choice worked.
Barely.
Barely. Fumes. Fumes. But now we're going to work on ripping this hard line, well, all the fuel line out of the truck, drop the tank, dump out $75 worth of gas, and laugh.
You just start a fire later. Get some use out of it.
Insurance money?
None of my cars are fully insured, so I have to claim vandalism in the process.
All right, we'll check in later. So I've got more than enough video for this one. So this is going to be the end for this. We'll get some more video of us dropping the fuel tank, changing out the hard line, putting the soft line in, fuel filter. So that should be out in maybe hopefully a week after this video airs.
Yeah.
You got anything?
Overall, no.
We still have no idea what our sign-off's going to be. Get money just doesn't sound right.
Considering we're not making money yet.
Not really.
None at all. We're spending a lot more than, and we're not even making any, so.
Spend money, get nothing.
Oh my goodness.
That's a horrible sign-off. Let's edit that out. Okay. Yeah. So just let us know what a sign-off should be. There's going to be like a little like blip in the middle of this video because I said some stupid crap again, and it got edited out, which is probably for the best.
Yeah, some of that has to go.
But yeah, if any of you guys know what sign-off we should do or have any ideas, let us know. But we'll see you next week.